noise, right? Okay, so this was first, our first workshop for Foxtrot for 2024. So I'm very excited about that. I had some really cool people here. I have Susan. For all those that know Susan, she's back. Yeah. Okay. So what we did is we talked a little bit about the timing aspects of the Foxtrot, and we dealt with a bunch of them. We talked about the 6 count that we have in our bronze level, which is slow, slow, quick, quick. And then what we did is we introduced the running step, which had slow, quick, quick. So we did the running step as slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And this is a really good way of feeling movement, passing your feet, feeling connection with your partner. From there, we did an open left turn. So we did the open left turn. We did slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We did that and we left it in outside partner position. We can also close it up and do it in closed position. And all we had to really do to finish that up, if we're having problems getting our partner back into position, was just closing our feet, which allowed all that rotation to end. So we did slow, quick, quick, slow, close the feet, and now we're back in closed position. Nice little tip, works every time. I stole that from Tango. So anyway, all right. And then from there, what we did is we took elements. Oh, I'm sorry. We did the weave, the left turning weave. There's also right turning weave. So in this weave action, this is a silver pattern, that what we do is instead of slow, quick, quick, or slow, slow, quick, quick, we did quick, 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 slow. So we're basically doing the same pattern as that open left turn, but doing it on the balls of our feet, all quicks. So we have quick, 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 quick. And then we talked about lowering and keeping it as a slow, which gives a little bit of calmness back to the step. This is a step that we would use, kind of shake things up after we're just so bored doing slow, quick, quick, right? Like you need that, right? Okay, so then what we did is we took the elements of all that and basically put it and just broke it up and did a couple of different things. So we went to pure choreography here. So what we did is we're going to start with a one-hand hold. We're going to do a half of a left turn, but you'll notice how far away our bodies are. So we did slow, quick, quick, and then as I step back, I do a tap, I do another tap, I do another tap, all in slows, tap. From here, I'm going to turn her, bring her into shadow position. So she does a slow, quick, quick. I do a slow, slow. So that way, we're going to be on opposite feet. From here, why don't we do it this way? Do it this way, so we go that way. So we're going to go quick, 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 quick. Okay? So we were running into walls here. So what we did is we just did a little checking action. Okay? And then I'm having her turn. She does a double turn. Another one? Yes. Okay? She does the woo. Right foot is free. Left foot is free. From here, I'm going to take it, and then we're going to do that weave action. So we're going to go quick, 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 slow. Okay? So let's do that in its entirety. Sorry, no music. Phone's being recorded. Okay, so we have from here, we have 5, 6, 7, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Leader has slow, slow, quick, 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 slow. So we're going to check, turn her out, quick and quick and quick. Then we go into our weave. Quick, 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 slow. Nice. Thank you.